For all those times you stood by me, for all the truth that you made me see, for all the joy you brought to my life, for all the wrong that you made right, for every dream you made come true, for all the love I found in you. I'll be forever thankful, baby, 'cause you're the one who held me up, never let me fall. You're the one that saw me through it all. You were my strength when I was weak. You were my voice when I couldn't speak. You were my eyes when I couldn't see. You saw the best there was in me, lifted me up when I couldn't reach. You gave me faith 'cause you believe that I'm everything I am because you love me. Oh, I'm everything I am because you love me. Happy Mother's Day, Mama. Love you.